2211. I live right next to you. I'm telling you right now, they're trying to be. Right now, 2211. 30. They're trying to do 3211. I promise you.
Listen, who's
The Matrix.
Oh.
They're trying me. I promise you. Okay, look. You have your dogs, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna protect you. I'm gonna protect my neighbor. I'm gonna protect you. Okay? I'll be right back.
Okay. Hey, it's okay over here.
Perth Amboy, New Jersey.
Hello?
Can you open the door and have your mother come out? And have my husband come out too?
That's not even my truck.
Let me tell you, have my husband come out of the house.
That's not even my truck, man.
It turned out to be the wrong house. Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. 2 people showed up claiming the homeowner had their AirPods.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
We just came to get my AirPods.
I don't have them.
They say that in this location.
Is it 744, right?
Yeah, we don't have AirPods.
They here, though.
That's fine, we don't have them.
Police were contacted.
You don't got no kids?
They're 7 years old.
Well, you couldn't find it, though.
We didn't find them.
Well, you seen 744, look.
Call the cops then.
Why would I call the cops about some airport?
Because I don't have that.
But look, it's 744.
Wonderful that says that.
And your door number is 744.
I am 744. I don't have AirPods.
Memphis, Tennessee. This man was seen attempting to take a cat from outside the home. Yes, an actual cat. Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This situation raised concerns for the homeowner.
President is here. I gave the Mexican little lady a ride. She was at the store on Northeast 6th Ave. She had some beer. I gave her a ride, free of charge, out of kindness of my heart. She stole my phone. Now, whoever resident this is, please, I need my phone. I gave her a ride, please. She turned the light, she got my phone. I need my phone. Oh, bust all your windows out. I'm going to set your house on fire. I have a phone. So, okay.
Incidents like this often explain why people choose not to engage and instead observe first. Richmond, Virginia. A porch theft was attempted here, but it didn't go as planned.
Excuse me, no.
Savannah, Georgia. It's a reminder that valuables placed outside the home are often vulnerable, especially when no one is around to notice right away. Memphis, Tennessee. Moments like this show why awareness before entering a door really matters.
She likes to steal shit.
Okay.
She likes to put everything in boxes.
Right.
She can either pay me the car seat or give me the car seat. Which one? Because I'm trying to move out.
We get it. I don't know what she's doing. I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what the homeboy's doing.
All I want is a car seat so I can move out because she's giving me so much problems. She's making my 5-year-old suffer. My 5-year-old suffer.
Hey, homie. Hey, we're trying to keep it. Hey, look. Just chill out, all right?
How am I chill? She's putting my baby in danger. I helped her with everything with her baby.
I understand, dude.
I shouldn't be suffering. Her doing that. Just over a car seat? Not over a car seat. For you being a two-faced.
The car seat, dude. Open the door right now.
Give me my car.
Back up,
Give me my car. Back up, bro. You don't know me.
Hey, full the fuck.
Give me my car.
Hey, back.
Then just do it. Just
Give me my car. You know me.
Hey, dude, chill. Back up, bro. Yeah. Shut the fuck up.
Yo, pistola.
We understand. Wait up. Wait. Chill, bro. Chill. Chill.
Why do you guys have to do it to us?
Hey, look, chill.
You have to say my 5-year-old was caught.
Yeah, I don't know. Look, Jamie, please, come on. Hey, dog, y'all this is homie. Hey, we don't know what's going on. I don't care. I'm not she gets from the car seat. That's not my car, dog. That's not my car. Tell her. What do you think?
Portland, Oregon. Man, I really don't get how they get a driving license. Portland, Oregon. It can feel like there are more people wandering around after dark lately. And some seem to treat private property like it doesn't matter. Portland, Oregon. Incidents like this are another reminder of why many homeowners choose not to confront strangers directly.
Next.
Memphis, Tennessee. This man approached the door while holding a weapon. The homeowner responded by addressing the situation through the doorbell system, which led to the individual leaving the property.
Myron.
Who is it?
Myron.
You're at the wrong door, bro.
I'm just trying to get some,
You're trying to get shot, mother.
What? Okay.
Memphis, Tennessee. But he managed to run toward a nearby home before things escalated further. He was able to get away, though the situation itself was troubling. Portland, Oregon. Some people deliberately target doorbell cameras.
Come on, Papa. Yes, it's my pretty face. Yeah, it's me.
Often point to an awareness that they're being recorded.
Can we go?
North Las Vegas, Nevada, around 1 a.m. A man was seen recording through a bathroom window. The behavior raised serious concerns, particularly about privacy and safety. Portland, Oregon. It's difficult to understand what motivates that behavior, but it continues to be a concern for homeowners in the area. Portland, Oregon. This man showed up, removed the doorbell camera, and then tried to force his way inside. He wasn't able to get in, but incidents like this seem to be happening more often. Hialeah, Florida.
Is that him?
No, Daniel.
Is he in it though?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Get over
Are you ready in the apartment?
Come on.
Are you ready in the apartment?
Nope.
How many nights, sir?
Fearing for their safety, the homeowner contacted police. Lansing, Michigan. Around 2:30 a.m., a woman knocked on the door while the homeowner was asleep. The reason for the visit wasn't clear. Situations like this can be confusing and raise questions. What do you think? An honest mistake or something more planned? Hialeah, Florida. This incident shows how quickly unattended items can disappear. A bike left unlocked was taken, along with a package from the porch. Elmont, New York. A man claiming to be a Tesla employee entered a backyard, saying he had permission from the homeowners. He was seen walking around, looking at nearby houses and taking photos.
Hello.
Hello. Morning.
Morning.
Morning. I'm from Tesla. I'm sorry. I was
From
in
Tesla,
communication
from
with the
who?
person. I'm from Tesla.
Tesla, we didn't speak to
Why
anyone from
Tesla's
Tesla.
in the house?
Pardon me?
Why are you in the house? We haven't talked to Tesla.
I reached out to someone. They said that it was okay.
Who's
It
someone?
isn't. I'm sorry,
Who's
it's not.
someone?
Can I come to the door and we can talk? Because I already
No,
had
you can
permission
leave,
to walk
please.
around. I guess.
We're the owners of the house. Please leave, or we're calling the police.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bye. Thank you.
Who's this person?
Memphis, Tennessee.
Hey, you got the paper. You got more money, stop playing. I want money. I know, but I got it. Hey. You got money. Hey.
An assailant attacked a worker and threatened two people while displaying a firearm.
100 be okay? Come on. Just give me 100. I give you 5 for you, but I got it. I don't got it nothing today. Come on. Hey, just doesn't give it to me. You want to give me 100, you can say. Hey, come on. Yeah, that's it. Hey, papelero, please. How do you think? Papelero, please, man. Papelero, please. Hey, papeles. Hey, was wonderful. Papeles. No more papeles. I want one. You got the license. I want one.
Wilmington, North Carolina. Around 10:30 p.m.,
Hey, my name is Jackie, and I just got a rehab, and I get disability check, but I was too late to pick it up, and I'm kind of hungry. I'll see you guys a couple dollars until the morning, and I can reimburse you if that's not a problem, please. I just been trying all day and it's not giving me luck.
I don't have any cash, man. Good luck to you, though.
I appreciate it, brother. Have a blessed night.
the interaction felt uncertain. Freeport, New York. This individual was seen accessing a mailbox and going through mail, which the homeowner noticed after reviewing the full footage.
How can I help you?
The behavior raised questions, especially given the mailbox access. What do you think? Misunderstanding or something else?
Hi, miss.
Hi. You know any room for it?
No, dear, no.
Oh, okay. Thank you. No, I don't.
Hi, do you need something? I will report you to the police. Get out of here.
Patterson, New Jersey. This man was seen moving through the neighborhood and slashing the tires on multiple cars. Bethlehem, Pennsylvania.
Crash them on top. Because I'm about to call the cops. What the cops?
2 boys were seen throwing objects and damaging property outside this home. There didn't appear to be any clear reason for it.
Your house smoke. Your dad, what you do, bro? Take camera. Yo, start breaking on what? Exactly we gonna break into.
Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. A woman was seen attempting to enter the home in a way that didn't appear normal. Mastic Beach, New York. This footage helps explain why some packages disappear so quickly. The delivery was completed, a photo was taken, and then the same package was removed. It's a troubling situation that raises questions about trust and accountability. Shirley, New York, around 3 a.m., a woman was seen trying to get into the house. Her behavior appeared disoriented, and the homeowner did not recognize her. Incidents like this raise questions about why so many late-night visits happen at the wrong address, especially during hours when people are asleep.
I just need help. If you're willing to help, I understand. Like, I'll accept it. But if you're not, I totally get it. But I'm not just genuinely need help find her so I can get back to DC. I'm not going back to DC tonight. I'm sorry. Okay, I need help to call someone so I can. Okay.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I just need to know where my phone is.
Alright.
I'm not causing problems. I promise. I'm not causing problems. I promise. I'm really not trying to cause problems. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I just need to know where my phone is at. So call the cops, that's perfectly fine. I understand, I will do the same. I just need help. I'm genuinely just someone that needs help. But I'm not mad at you for calling the cops, so go ahead and call the cops, that's fine. I will do what I can with them, but I genuinely need help. My oil is leaking from my car, and
Lexington, Kentucky. A woman was seen lingering on the porch and taking her time while attempting to steal a package. The situation didn't unfold the way she seemed to expect. Cleveland, Ohio. It's a pattern many homeowners are noticing, especially in quiet neighborhoods where quick access goes unnoticed. Gainesville, Florida. Two individuals entered the property and removed multiple items without much hesitation. The ease and confidence of the act stood out, reflecting a pattern many homeowners say they're seeing more often. Birmingham, Alabama. Incidents like this show that unexpected entries don't only happen at night, and unsecured doors can create opportunities even during the day.
Can I go outdoors?